Hey, Sid, why are you quiet? Look, Sid, if you have any objection, then I'll definitely back out, alright? I have no problem. But you have to admit that you do love mithai.
What? What's wrong with you? Are you crazy? Love? That too with Tufan Mail. You know, love is a useless sentiment, Rudy. I won't get trapped in love. I can never get trapped with Tufan Mail. I mean, there are so many issues that...
Where are all of you? Look at them. So all you have gathered here. What happened, Rajiv? Grandpa has told Rudra and Mithai to go downstairs.
Rajiv, all of you were eavesdropping on my conversation with Rudy, right? This is so not done, Rajiv.
What? Look, Siddharth, I don't believe in the etiquette that you believe in. I believe that we deserve to know each other's feelings and hear about them. That's because all of us are related to each other in some way. Rudra, you are... Look at this. I have addressed you informally.
No, you can do that. It's okay.
I hope you don't have any problem with that. Look, Siddharth has no relationship with Mithai now. Well, they never had any relationship, yet they were legally related. But that's not relevant now. You are taking Mithai's responsibility. So we will consider you as the husband of our younger sister. Because we all love Mithai just like our younger sister.
Exactly so. You are absolutely right. Mithai, now cheer up. We'll forget everything and enjoy your wedding. Brother Rajiv, let's plan all the wedding functions today.
Yes. What's this? Halla party? Why do you all look so pale? Go, get Mithai ready and bring her downstairs. Got it. And Rudra, you should accompany us. I'll take you downstairs. We'll start the rituals. Siddharth. Hey, Siddharth. Shall I take Rudra downstairs? I hope you have no objection. We can consider him as the son-in-law of our family.
Yes, of course. He's going to be our family's son-in-law. Let's go. Come on, downstairs.
Sid, I am going downstairs, okay? I hope you have no objection to this marriage.
Let's go. Come.
Let's go.
Mithai? Come with me. I'll help you get
Yes.
ready. Come along.
How can Mithai give consent to this marriage? She believes in the concept of marriage. How can anybody marry like this? Didn't she think about her mother even once? I mean, how will she react when she finds out about this arrangement? This is so not done. Everybody in this family is playing a game.
Hey, Appa, how long will you take? Bring it here. Keep it here.
And what else do you need? Where is the conch shell? Bring the conch shell.
I'll get it.
Get it quickly. Go, go, go.
Don't you think that the matter is taking a serious turn? I am feeling nervous. I am very tensed.
You know what, Rudra? I think Uncle has guessed that the entire episode is fake.
But brother, if Sid doesn't stop this, then
No, Ratul, it's not possible. Brother Sid won't accept Rudra and Mithai's marriage.
Now we should all pray to the Lord for this. Help, Lord. Help. Help, Lord. Rudra, you too should pray. This is a remedy Mithai follows, and it always works. Come on, say it.
Okay, but what shall I say?
Say, help, Lord, help. Come on.
Okay. Help, Lord. Please help.
Not like this. Pronounce it as help. Only then it will work. Say, help, Lord, help. Come on.
Oh, okay. Help, Lord. Help.
Help, Lord, help.
Tosha, after the rituals are done, we have to finalize everything.
Hmm.
And listen, Siddharth will come down. So get the divorce papers signed by him so that their divorce is finalized. Got it?
I've got it shown. But I don't know what Sid is thinking. Look, Uncle wants Mithai and Rudra to get engaged today, but I hope all the hard work I put in for this divorce won't go in vain.
No, Tosha, don't panic. You'll mess up everything. You have to get the main task done. Listen, I think that Siddharth is feeling sorry for Mithai. After all, she saved Siddharth's life.
Hmm.
That's the cause of all problems.
Dad, this drama of yours of getting Mithai married again, Samresh is taking it seriously.
Hello, Rudra. Come here. Come. Sit down. Come. Dad, you bless Rudra first and then I'll bless him. Come, my son, come. Don't delay anymore. Come.
Come on, go now. I told you several times not to take any risks. Go and handle it now.
Appa, get the conch shell. Hey, come here. Blow it, please. Dad, come here, please.
Please don't let me defeated, O Lord. I pray that Siddharth refuses to get divorced. My grandson won't get a better wife than Mithai. His life will be settled. Please help us, O Lord. Please help us.
That's it. It's over now. Everything is over. The crocodile... Sid hasn't come here yet.
Mithai, refuse to get engaged if Siddharth doesn't come.
Right. Shri, look at Grandpa. I'm sure he's praying that Brother Sid comes down right now and call off their engagement. Well, I will do something. I'll go and call Brother Sid.
No, Sister Nipa, don't do it. Why will Sid come here? We are divorced. A marriage does not depend on a signature. Mithai will go back to Chennai after a few days. Grandfather told me not to object. And so I am quiet.
I know. I know that Dad thinks Siddharth will come at the last moment and stop this. But is that possible? He took Rudra upstairs and spoke with him. But nothing has happened. Oh no. I can't stand this anymore. I don't know what Lord has planned for them. Oh Lord, please help us. Uncle,
Hmm,
okay, please tell me something. This is a happy occasion, right?
of course.
Then why is everybody so upset? And okay, Rajiv, won't we have fun and enjoy today? Look at them. They're still standing quietly. Okay, fine. We all will sing and dance after the engagement, okay? Mithai, will you dance today? All of us will dance. Look, I don't know if Rudra can dance or not. But Shom will dance.
What?
No excuses. No excuses. Uncle, let's perform the rituals quickly.
Oh, yes, we need to start then. Dad, have you finished praying? Come here now, please. Come. Appa, why don't we make Mithai sit next to him? Yeah, sit down, Dad. What do you say? We'll make Mithai sit next to him so that the rituals can be performed together. Shri, get Mithai here. Mithai, come.
Mithai, why are you looking back? What do you expect? Do you also have false expectations like grandfather? Nonsense. I have to say now that I won't get married. But this will make Samresh sir angry.
Sit down. Make Mithai sit down. Sit down, Mithai. Good. Very good. Dad, why don't you start now? Appa, please help Dad, okay? Dad is taking the initiative to get them married. All of us will bless them. Come on, start.
Mithai, don't keep quiet anymore. I have to object now.
Siddharth hasn't come down yet.
I told you he won't come. What will happen now? Rudra got trapped unnecessarily. Just think about Mithai. Poor girl.
Hey, Lord. Please help. Please help, Mithai.
Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord!
Don't perform the rituals, Grandpa. They won't get married.
Siddharth, there's a limit to everything. Why are you stopping him?
I'm stopping him because in our country, we can't marry if we are legally married to someone. Right, Tess? And I won't let them do something illegal.
Oh, Sid, they're just too much. Here are the documents. Here, sign here and accept the divorce. Mithai has already signed the acknowledgement paper. You also sign the paper and there won't be any legal obligation. Sid, you're too much. Okay, wait. Sign here.
I won't sign these papers.
What do you mean? Are you fooling around with us, Siddharth? What do you think is happening?
It's my personal matter. My personal decision. And honestly, I didn't want to get involved in any legal case. You forcefully brought up an excuse and made Aunt file this case, so please.
But Sid, the divorce has been granted. Then why are you not ready to sign now?
You told me that I need to sign the acknowledgement paper and submit it in the court, and only then I'll get the divorce certificate. So if I don't sign the acknowledgement paper, then the divorce will be incomplete, right? Then I won't sign it. That's it.
Uncle, he can't say this now. I worked so hard to force Mithai to give the statement so that they can get divorced at the earliest, and now.
Hey, 1 second, 1 second. Come again? You forced Mithai to give the statement in the court. How? How, Tess? Mithai, tell me the truth. I want to know the truth. What did Tess tell you?